Hi, it's Chelsea Miller, and I am so excited to install these onto my patio. They are so easy to install, just like that. This is the only type of floor I ever have or would attempt to install, and it only took a couple hours. Everything interlocks, and so you can do one tile at a time, or you could build 4 and lay them down 4 at a time. You can do any design you want. I decided to go vertically, and that's because my patio is really long and wide, and so I wanted to elongate that by putting the tiles facing the lake. You can also do every other one, or you can do them horizontally. With 3 different ways to choose, you really can't go wrong. They are absolutely beautiful. We are so happy with the way that our patio turned out. I can vacuum and I can Swiffer any mess away, keeping the pet messes and the kid messes, the dinner messes at bay. And I love the way that my feet feel on the tiles. It's really clean. I love the look of the tiles. I feel like the plastic interlocking tiles look very fancy, really modern. I love the color that I chose, and I love the way that I laid it out. My girlfriend was able to help, and it was super easy, no tools needed. And my husband went above and beyond and actually cut some of the plastic tiles so that they could fit around some of the corners of the screen. So they are able to be cut if you wanted to do that, or if you have a space that needs that. The recommendation that I would make for the installation would be to move your furniture out of the way. And if you can't do that, start from a clean corner that doesn't have any odd cuts or shape. I absolutely love these tiles. I have been showing all of my girlfriends, and every family member that's come over has loved them as well. They make the space look so good, and I love my patio transformation. You can really put these tiles anywhere, from a Florida room to a patio to indoors or outdoors. Definitely check them out, and thanks for watching. Bye.